So today I am going to discuss about async await in Swift 5.5 new update by using Playground. How to use? Today I am going to discuss about async await in Swift 5.5 update in by using Playground. Swift 5.5 update in Playground. What is async await? So introduce asynchronous async functions into Swift, allowing us to run complex asynchronous code almost is if it were asynchronous, that is done into two steps. So marking async function with the new async keyword, then calling using the await keyword similar to the other languages such as C Sharp and JavaScript and to so not apply on this issue, but we're gonna get on this example simple on this we're gonna get on this simple example, and this first is simple example. This is a so first is suppose which have WWDC update in use, and problem statement is by using callback help by using closer, and dispatch queue group dot apply on this closer by first apply. First of all we can use the we're gonna create on this closer application in this UI. First is but not used on the first we're gonna create on this fetch integer two numbers and find on this maximum number and upload to the server in this number. Okay, in this example. So by first is by using closer in this async in callback hell and closer callback by using closer and callback hell. Okay, respectively. So first of all we are going to create on this functions, and in this first function suppose which have on this first function we're going to create on this function, and we're going to create on the first function fetch integer numbers which have fetch integers numbers and in this function we're going to pass on this completion which is type of in this completion dot escaping which is requirement on this closures, and in this closure which have array of integer parameter of the array of integer, and return type in this closure return type is void return type, and we're gonna create on this braces in this function. So we're gonna check on this event not apply on this is async await example. So this is in Xcode beta, but it's not in this hour, and you issue in this issue of Xcode beta, and in this we're gonna create on this braces. Okay, and we're gonna create on dispatch queue dot main dot async which we're gonna apply on this code. We're gonna apply on the dot thread suppose which have a global thread, and the global is a background thread dot async which we're gonna apply on this code, and calling on the close suppose which we're gonna create an array of integer is equal to which is type array of integer suppose which have 2 and which is 3 and we're gonna apply on this 76, and we're gonna apply 8 9, and we're gonna apply 9 6 7, and we're gonna apply 2 7 7 which are array of integer. We're gonna create on the another an array of integer. Okay, and call on this completion handler call on this completion. This is a pass on this array of integer. Okay, in this completion which are achievement of array of integer and pass on this array. We're gonna create on this another function in this find maximum number. We're gonna create on this function, and we're gonna create on this function. This is a find maximum and integer number. Which have find integer number, and in this function for we can use a label for in the record integer number which have a record integer number. Fetch on this array of integer number. This is record integer number which is and array of integer number in this parameter, and which is type of array of integer, and this array of integer which have array of integer means otherwise previous function achievement of this array of integer. Okay, and pass on this closure completion which is type of integer which have achievement of the result escaping, and which is in this we're gonna apply on this integer, which have in this integer written on this integer, and in this function void return type, and we're gonna create on this lambda in this function. We're gonna create on this same dispatch queue dot global, which is gonna dispatch queue dot global, which is gonna dot global dot async. We're gonna call in this closer. Suppose which have in this closer call on this in this closer, and we're gonna call that maximum. In this number we can add on this maximum number achievement on this array filter on this maximum number. So maximum number, which have maximum number, and is equal to our other piece other record integer number, which have record integer our pass in this array of integer record integer number dot which have calling this method max function in this shift UI call, and in this max function in this array of functions. Okay, and calling on this completion, which have passed on this maximum number. Okay, and we're gonna create on the upload on this server, and in this function in this API func upload server data. Okay, and we're gonna create on this function, and which have a function upload server maximum integer numbers, which is upload in the function upload server maximum integer number, maximum integer number, which have maximum integer number. Okay, and in this function we can achievement on this result, which is type of integer, and we're gonna pass on this closer. Suppose which have pass on this closer is completion, completion, and completion, which is type of escaping, and in this which is written on this string server on this written on this string, and what is written value on this void, which we achievement on this parameter on this string, and we're gonna create on this lambda, and calling on the dispatch queue dot global dot async deadline, which are called on deadline dot no, which are result on this server result on this is a 3 second, and execute on this code. Suppose which execute on this code and completion pass on this completion, and in this pass on this string. Okay, upload server data complete upload server data successfully. Okay, in this parent on this element. Okay, so in this function which have type of integer, and wrapped on this value is optional integer, which is type. Okay, when this integer we can apply default value is 0. Okay, we're gonna change this integer optional, we're gonna not apply on this. Suppose which have not apply on this, then this optional in the array of maximum number, in this element of maximum number optional, so unwrap on this value of 0. Okay, and calling function, calling API. Okay, suppose which have we're going to get on this function func, and this is a call complete function, call multiple API. We're going to get on this function, but it's not in this requirement on this function, and we're going to calling this function is we're going to get in the print statement loader on, which have a loader on, which we're going to suppose not apply on this issue, but it's loader on. Okay, and we're going to call in the first function fetch integer number, which is requirement on this fetch new integer number, and in this number which have the our pass on this records in this multiple record on multiple integer number, and find, which are going in the find maximum number. So we can apply on this records, so we can achievement of records. Okay, and in this function in this function maximum integer number function, we can apply on this maximum integer number function is the maximum number, which have a max number, and we can call the upload to the server maximum number. This is the max number, and we can upload on status server. which have a status server, and print on this status server, print status server. Okay, and in this, and print status server, and all, and print on this largest number, print maximum number, and print on this, suppose this is a max number, which have max number, print on this, and you can loader is off, you can create on this print statement, and loader off. Okay, and loader off. We can run on this application calling on this multiple API, but it's not calling with using function and calling on this, but use of callback hell in this one function and depend on this another function. The one API depend into another API, but it's not this is a fetch integer numbers and fetch maximum numbers, maximum integer numbers for one API depend into another API. In this callback hell is called callback hell. One API depend on this another API is called callback hell. We can run on this application, and we are calling on this function call multiple API. This loader is on, and this is a 3-second wait. Maximum number is 67 and upload server data successfully. Loader off. Maximum number we can check on the server 67, 68. We can apply. Suppose we can whichever maximum number is 1, 12, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and we are gonna run on this application and wait on this 3-second wait on this result on this server. So loader is on this application, and loader is on. First is loader on, and we are calling on this 3-second wait on this server load. So maximum number is say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and upload server data successfully load out. And in this situation, and which have a in this situation, in this code of a problem statement. So all are facing problem when they are implementing multiple asynchronous dependency function code. Multiple asynchronous dependency function code. Multiple function is called. It matter is that each of those function. It matters is that each of those functions can take some time to run. So rather than blocking execution of the function and returning of a value directly, we instead use of completion closure and send something back when you ready. So we can use the solution code which have a problem statement code, but it's not is a problem statement code is a by using async await. So how to call API by using async await. Today I am going to discuss about async await in Swift 5.5 new update and by using Polygon. So which have defected in this code. Okay, async await, but it's not apply on this integer return. And in these functions we're going to calling on this refactoring on this code integer number. Suppose we can refactoring on this in this code, on this refactoring in this code on a async await in this code. So in this function mark on this async, first requirement of the async function mark on this async and return on this integer array. In this function return integer array which have written and dispatch.man, remove on this dispatch.man and let integer arrays, but is not remove command on this, and return array of integer. Okay, which have written on this array of integer but not issue on this not issue on this function. So it's remove on this parameter and remove on this element, but it's not issue on this function. It's refactoring in this function. Okay, and find minimum integer number. So in find minimum integer number, for integer numbers requirement integer numbers, and this remove on this escaping and in this closure and void. Okay, in this function and this mark of this async first requirement and calling on return type in this functions integer which is argument on the integer and which are achieved in this record. So remove on this matter. So return maximum number. Okay, return is the maximum number and default value, otherwise not, return is the 0. Okay, and maximum number and return is the 0. So not problem in this code, and we upload to the server in this result only upload to the server. Result is completion, but it's not in this use of closure in this UI by using it. So in this first condition is marked from the async functions, and return type in this function which have a string return type in this function upload to the server, but is not apply on this times and is written on this. So command Z which have you can command X on this string and remove on this method, so return string. Okay, which are no issue in this function, and which calling on this node, what is calling on this loader is on, which are top not apply on this loader on is on. And in this functions, suppose we have in this function, so first condition in this mark async function, in this async function, and print is remove this in this async function call on this API. Suppose this async functions, okay, and is call on this, suppose this is the first, let record is equal to, we can calling on this function record equal to await mark, await, calling on this function is await and fetch integer number. Okay, fetch integer number, and we can calling on this max number. Max number is equal to await maximum fetch, which have to find maximum number. Okay, find maximum number, which is type of array of integer and which apply of default. Okay, and we can set down let upload to the server maximum number, so we can achieve maximum number, and upload status, upload status is equal to await, which is a type of await, and calling on this function is the upload to the server in this max number. Okay, not apply, not is applying this issue, and we can calling on this, suppose this is the first calling in this issue, not apply on this issue, and we gonna calling on this first is, suppose we can print statement, and print statement we can apply on this print statement upload status, which have upload status print, and we can create on this print statement. So but is first is maximum numbers command as, and we can calling on first is maximum number, and maximum number, suppose we can max number, which have a max number, which have max number, and comma which apply on this max number, and calling on this print on this statement. Okay, so in this function call in this async block, which have a calling async block call in this function, and we can apply on this await, and calling the call multiple API. Okay, call in this multiple, we can run on this application call it multiple API. So max number is 134, and I upload server to the data successfully, and which we're going to create on this loader, so we can create on this print statement and loader on, and you can on this print statement and loader is off. Okay, we're going to run on this application, and first is loader is on maximum number, but we can not apply on this wait API. Suppose this server and this response on this load wait in this API, so thread dot sleep in this methods and until 3-second wait. Which is type of date, sorry, not until, this is for interval, we're going to apply on the dot interval, which is apply on the dot time interval, and 3-second wait on this time interval. Loader is on, and await is multiple maximum numbers, and suppose this is 3 seconds, suppose this is 4 seconds. Okay, and the same code, but it's not in this way. Loader is on, and loader is on, suppose we have three, max number is 1 2 3 4 5 6, and upload server data successfully later. So 1 2 3 4 5 is maximum number. So in this code is superb, and not applying multiple call in this statement. So async await. So introduce async functions into Swift, allowing us to run complex asynchronous code almost if it is for asynchronous. This is done into 2 steps: marking async functions, and in this marking async function, and with calling on this await in this function, await keyword in this function. So thank you for watching this video. We can use of async await and Swift update 5.5 async await in this way. and async await is multiple in this function API depend one API depend into another API by using async function is calling this API. So thank you for watching this tutorial of async await in Swift 5.5 update.